Why are alarm clocks not people? This person is sleeping soundly in their bed. Suddenly, knock, knock, tap, tap. Someone's at their window. In the 1800s, people paid other people to wake them up. In foggy London streets, workers walked with long sticks. They would tap the second-story windows with a long pole or shoot dried peas at them through a straw. But they had to be careful not to fall asleep. Some worked all night and only knocked on doors by morning. If you overslept, it wasn't their fault. But why don't we have people set our alarms today? Well, we do. We just hit snooze 5 times. Back then, they hired someone to make sure they didn't. All these strange facts about everyday habits will be in your feed. Follow for more. #howtodailyme